Alright, today on Repairs 101, I've got one for all you knot tying enthusiasts. I'm going to show you how to tie a monkey's fist knot, which makes a great toy for cats and dogs. This episode of Repairs 101 is sponsored by Princess Auto. Princess Auto carries everything you need for your knot tying projects. Check out princessauto.com for all your rope, line, and paracord needs. Whether you use braid rope or laid rope, melt the ends so they don't unravel while you work. Find yourself something pointy to work with. You'll need it to tighten things together when you're finishing the knot. So this knot is challenging in that you have to keep it well organized. But if you keep your lines straight, it will look much better when you're finished. 3 times around, then change direction through the center and wrap 3 times around the outside. Now you have to pull off another change of direction and weave it over, under the other band of 3 wraps. And you do that 3 times around. So here's another look at the process using a jig and a larger piece of rope, hopefully making it easier to see what's going on and how exactly you shape the ball of the monkey fist. Now, you may think that you can just pull on the tails and you're done, but actually tightening it up is the challenging part. You're going to work the knot and the tail into the cavity in the center of the monkey fist. Then you start with that tail, pull it tight, and work all of the slack out through the whole knot and into the free end. Stainless steel balls or other weights can be used to increase the distance achieved with your heaving line. But, depending on the kind of boat that you're heaving a line to, maybe you want to use a flotation core. On a completely unrelated subject, once I loaded my new sliding top tool cabinet with my hammers, chisels, and punches, I liked it so much I got another one.